Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen today and I'm going to teach you how to make tomato egg. So for this recipe, I'm using 4 tomatoes and 5 eggs. Give your tomatoes a wash. Remove the center, half the tomatoes, and cut it into wedges. Each tomato will give you about 7 to 8 wedges. Again, half. Crack your eggs into a bowl. Add a little bit of soap and whisk. A very small amount of ginger. One spring onion, finely sliced, and this is for garnish at the end. So this dish is really simple. You only need a very few ingredients. First of all, tomato ketchup, white pepper, and some potato starch to thicken the sauce. So now we have all our ingredients, we're ready to start cooking. Oil, egg, turn it on low heat, slowly cook the egg. Flip. Break it up a little bit and it's ready to be put on the side for now. In the same wok, add your garlic, tomatoes in, sugar, salt, half a teaspoon, and now we add water, about 1.5 ladles. Add a bit of chicken powder if you like, white pepper, tomato ketchup, about 3 circles. Let the tomatoes soften up. Now we add the egg. Bring it back to high heat. Now we're going to thicken it a bit with the potato starch. A bit more oil. And we're ready to serve. Add your spring onions. So there you are guys, that's how you make tomato egg. See you next time.